All right, so let's take the question how to delete a drawing within info. So if you select a certain equipment and if you activate the cross browser, you may have this behavior that shows that you have several drawings associated to the same equipment. So, for example, if you want to remove one or two of these, you can see the drawing. All right, this is actually the drawing that I want to remove from the list. Uh, Please consider that, again, the drawings are documents. So the 14 or 15 is the document that you have to remove. And then you can access to administration. So it's an EAM standard capability. You have to access to administration and then documents. So 14 or 15. Okay. Before removing the record, you have to remove the link. So this guy were used on this particular equipment, as we saw. So we have going to action to remove the document association, and then switching back on record to remove also the record. Now, if we go back on our equipment and refreshing the screen, okay, the 14 or 15 is not here anymore. And then you can do the same thing for the other drawings that you want to remove definitely from info. So basically, the OC utility allows you to ingest and to upload a brand new drawing, allows you to make changes, but it doesn't allow you to remove an existing document from EAM. All right, thank you.